Okay, so you guys have already seen the intro, so hopefully I slayed this hairstyle we're gonna see. We're gonna be trying out some new hair from Toyotress. This is their Goddess Locs hair. It's so beautiful. Let me show you guys what it looks like. What color do I have? I have the Toyotress Goddess Locs 22 inches. The color is 1B/30/27, and it comes with 6 packs in 1 pack. They give you like your crochet needle. Let me show you guys this hair. This is the, look at, these look like actual locks. Like, they're not super shiny. They have nice texture to them. The color variation is so beautiful. Look how long they are. Like, they're so gorgeous. They come pre-looped as well. So like you get your 1B, 30, and 27. So yeah, and you see you get like a lot per bundle. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 24 locks in each pack. So yeah, this is what they look like. I sort of like I already set the foundation for my hair, is what I'm trying to say. Now, I say this in every video because everybody watching my video is not a subscriber of mine. I do not know how to braid. I do what I can. Don't revoke my black card because I can't cornrow, but I do what I can. So let me show y'all the foundation that I created in my hair. I've already pre-sectioned off the parting spaces. Hopefully they held overnight. If not, I wanted to redo them. Also, disclaimer, my hair is very fine. Very, very fine. If you don't watch my channel, you don't know that. So take with a grain of salt the hairstyle that I'm creating. It might look different on you if your hair is fuller than mine. I do wish my hair was fuller, but you know, we all got something that we got to deal with. But yeah, keep that in mind as well. But anyways, I sectioned off, try to create like triangles. So I have 5 different sections on top. These are going to be like little ponytails, like Bantu knots made with this. And then the back of it is just cornrows. So I just cornrowed the back of my hair. I think I put like 5 braids back there. I hope it looks okay in the back, girl. I have no idea. I didn't even look at it. I was just sitting here braiding it last time. I didn't even look at it. I'm gonna crochet the back of this in first. I figured it'd be easier to do the back first, and that way I can not mess the front up as I'm trying to get back here and crochet the hair in. I'll show you guys like a brief clip of me doing this, but it's gonna take a little bit of time to get the back of this filled in. Not a lot of time, like maybe like a half hour or so. Oh my God, I wish you guys could really just feel the thickness of this. Like, it just feels so good. The quality is insane. And look how they have like the little curly hair coming out the side of the lock. They did that. They did that. So like I said, it has a loop on the top, so you can just crochet it into your hair. I just stick the needle through it, leave the needle open, take the loop that's on the top of the lock, get it on there, close the needle, and then pull it through. Now this is the part right here. You want to hook the end of that lock on there, close the needle again, and then pull it through. So you gotta do that all over the back of your head.
You ain't gotta worry about me playing games. I want you just as bad as you want me. You already talking with your energy. In the back of my mind, fantasize about you and me. Baby, can you give me just a little bit more of what I've been missing? We got time to act.
Hopefully that was explanatory enough, but I'm just going to do that up and down all 5 rows in the back of my head. So I got the back of my hair crocheted. It's all done. So I'm going to start doing the front of my hair. I wanted to focus on getting these parts sectioned out, slicked down. I'm using the Kiss Edge Fixer. So I'm using some of this. So I'm going with some of this edge fixer. I gotta be careful too, 'cause I want to have baby hairs today. I want to leave a little bit of my baby hairs out. So let me try to get some of that out. I'm using some little black rubber bands.
Taking pictures in my mind. Got the sun in my hair, blue in your eyes. I could lay here all my life. Time moves slowly, green goes from my high. I can't get enough of you. Baby, it's the love for me. Said that it's the me for you. You know how to make me feel pretty when you say you need me, love. Never felt so.
So I already did 2 on this side off camera because this video is going to be 85 minutes long. So what I'm doing is just taking 2 to 3 pieces, and I did 2 and 2. This one's sort of big, but whatever. But 2 of these, I'm crocheting them in and then just twisting them up.
All of this for you, yeah. Take flights to the bay at night for ya. Anything to get a little time with you. Haven't felt like this in a while. You really know how to make a girl smile.
Let's take a little bit of that edge control. I'm just going to twist these together and then start wrapping it around the base. Okay, so I'm gonna do these 2. I'll be right back.
Taking pictures in my mind. Got the sun in my hair, blue in your eyes. I could lay here all my life. Time moves slowly, green goes from my high. I can't get enough of you. Baby, it's the love for me. Said that it's the me for you. You know how to make me feel pretty when you say you need me, love. Never felt so free, no. to the bay at night for ya. Anything to get a little time with you. Haven't felt like this in a while. You really know how to make a girl smile. Giving you time is more than I ask. Can you see me? Oh, you make love and you easy take. Nothing for me to complete you, baby. Ooh, and I usually keep to myself, but you get me out of my shell, and I knew right the moment I fell for ya. I keep it on lock for ya. I'ma keep a spot for ya. All my exes black for ya. Got plans, I'ma drop for ya. There's no need to choose. Nothing I would.
Then go ahead and put a little bit of oil on my scalp to make sure it stays moisturized, especially with, you know, having synthetic hair mixed into my hair. This hair is so pretty. I only used like 2.5 packs of hair to complete this look. You get 6 packs in your package, so you can imagine how much hair you're gonna have, especially if you're gonna be doing like a full head of crochet. It's gonna be so full, you probably will have leftover hair. And you don't have to double loop these. Like some synthetic hair, you gotta double loop them because they be slipping. I only did 1 loop and it's staying put. I love that. So I will link this hair down below in the description bar. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I will catch you girls in the next one. So until then, stay fierce and stay fabulous. Melissa Danielle. Mwah.